Checking out some different police patches. This is a large patch that you're going to wear maybe on your back on gear or a jacket, and it comes with hook and loop, and it's a full patch on the back. This one is embroidered, so you can see that the stitching is what creates the lettering on this. This set comes along with a smaller one as well that you could put on an arm, on your bag or gear, or even on the front of a vest. This one also has hook and loop across the whole back, and as you can see, it's sewn in under the marrow edging, so good strong connection. This one is a little different because this one is woven with the police lettering adhered to the front or printed on in a reflective way. This one has also got a marrowed edge and a hook and loop back. This is also good for the back of a jacket or the back of a vest. This one is not embroidered, and this one will be a little easier to clean. Might not last as long. The embroidered ones tend to last a good long time. They look great for parades and they look good in photographs. They really have some depth, but they are going to be tougher to clean. Hope this helps.